Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best amp wiring kit for car audio on the market. The Rode True 4-Gauge Car Audio Cable Amp Wiring Kit by Rondexy. Let's get straight into why this kit stands out and deserves a top spot in your next car audio upgrade. Right out of the box, the Rode True 4-Gauge kit impresses with its build quality. It includes everything you need to install a 2-channel amplifier setup in your vehicle. The power cable is true to its gauge, 4 Aruban Florins CCA, which means it can handle serious power while maintaining flexibility. This is critical when routing cables through tight or curved areas in your car. The kit includes a red 17-foot 4-gauge power cable, a black 3-foot 4-gauge ground cable, a blue 17-foot remote turn-on wire, and high-quality RCA cables. All of these are color-coded for easy installation, making the process quicker and much more intuitive, especially for DIY enthusiasts. But what really elevates this kit is the attention to detail. It comes with a waterproof ANL fuse holder pre-installed on the power cable, which not only protects your system but also adds convenience. The fuse itself is rated at 100A, giving you peace of mind that your system is protected even under heavy load. The included speaker wire is 16 gauge and measures 17 feet. It's stranded for flexibility and ensures solid sound signal delivery from your amp to your speakers. That kind of quality in a bundled kit is rare at this price point. We also have to mention the RCA cables. They're 17 feet long, double shielded, and built with OFC conductors. This means reduced noise and interference, resulting in cleaner audio performance. Whether you're going for thumping bass or crystal clear mids, you won't be disappointed. Beyond just the cables, the Rode kit includes all necessary terminals, cable ties, and grommets. These small accessories are often overlooked but play a huge role in making the install neat, secure, and durable. From a value perspective, this kit punches well above its weight. It gives beginners an easy start, and seasoned installers a reliable, no-nonsense solution. You don't need to worry about hunting down extra pieces or cutting corners. This kit is truly complete. In terms of compatibility, it's ideal for systems up to 1500 watts RMS. That covers most mid to high-level car audio setups, so whether you're running a pair of subwoofers or a full-range amp, this kit will handle it. And don't let the CCA construction worry you. While it's not quite as conductive as pure copper, Rondexy compensates with true gauge sizing and quality shielding, making it efficient and dependable for most builds. Plus, the cost savings over OFC are significant, giving budget-conscious buyers more room to invest in other components. To wrap things up, the Rode True 4-Gauge Car Audio Cable Amp Wiring Kit delivers exceptional value, dependable performance, and a user-friendly installation experience. It's versatile, complete, and reliable, exactly what you want when you're powering up your car's sound system. If you're looking to upgrade your car audio without breaking the bank or compromising on quality, this is the kit we'd recommend every time. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you never miss our deep dives into the best gear in tech and automotive. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.